of the cat. Look at him, legs are many and knees are not. Look at him, dad is on me as the eggshell shot. But the neighbors screaming out when they see our brood. He's the foulest waterfowl.
Why are you so rude?
Ooh, touchy.
Look at you, look at me, what's it matter?
Isn't it obvious?
Why do I make you all laugh and scoff?
You see your reflection?
Why don't we play with the fishes?
Because you scared them off. Look at him, still a duckling, but there's so much more. Look at him, finest cat food that I ever saw. Better still, he won't be missed. They think he's a flop. Maybe they'll let me assist, giving him that shot.
Now, in a moment, you'll be presented to your grace, the most distinguished duck on the lake. She was once paired with the mandarin. You'll notice that she has a red sash across her